Hello everyone, welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, ready to guide you through a packed week in the financial markets. Let's break down the key events and what they could mean for investors. First on the agenda, the Federal Reserve's policy meeting wrapping up on Wednesday. After March's inflation data, which aligned with expectations, all eyes are on the Fed's next move. While Jerome Powell hinted at needing more certainty on inflation reaching their 2% target, the market's hoping for more concrete clues about potential rate cuts. Initially eyed for March, then pushed to June and now September, these expectations have been quite the moving target. This Friday, we'll get a fresh look at the U.S. labor market with the non-farm payroll report. Analysts are forecasting 243,000 new jobs in April, a slight decrease from March. This data, coupled with Tuesday's employment cost index and ADP figures, will give us a clearer picture of whether inflation pressures from the labor market are indeed cooling down. Turning our focus to tech, it's a big week for earnings with Amazon reporting on Tuesday and Apple on Thursday, with Apple's shares down by over 10% this year, and amid declining smartphone shipments in China, their first quarter earnings will be closely scrutinized. Meanwhile, Amazon's results could shed light on the health of consumer spending and the performance of its cloud computing segment. Despite strong reports from Microsoft and Google, the overall tech sector has seen mixed reactions this earnings season. On the global stage, we're watching China closely. Manufacturing data due out on Tuesday will indicate if the expected recovery in the world's second-largest economy is gaining pace. Despite a strong dollar complicating Beijing's currency management, optimism around Chinese stocks has been growing, and in Europe, the Eurozone's economic data releases on Tuesday will likely influence ECB rate cut expectations for June. Inflation data and first-quarter GDP figures will be particularly pivotal in assessing the economic landscape across the bloc, especially with ongoing concerns about energy costs and geopolitical tensions. So, from the Fed's decision and key job reports in the U.S. to major tech earnings and critical data from China and the Eurozone, this week is brimming with potential market movers. Whether you're a trader, an investor, or just a finance buff, there's plenty to keep an eye on. That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. I'm Endrit Sella, and I'll be back tomorrow morning with a brand new episode. Stay sharp, stay informed, and as always, happy investing.